Hello guys, I have recently installed Windows 11 on my MacBook Pro. Let me show you the specs of this computer system. So, we have to right click on the computer icon on the desktop, then click properties. And as you can see guys, this computer is very powerful. Now let's go to device manager and let me show you what CPU this computer actually has on its motherboard. Okay, good, and lastly let's see the system settings about pay to fully understand how beefy this computer really is. Okay, good, you can say it is a very powerful system. Now guys, in today's video I will show you how well this computer can run VMNG Drive. Let's open VMNG Drive and see if it runs or if this computer is too slow to handle such a demanding game in 2024. Okay guys, let me pause this video so that I can type out the script for the rest of it. Good, now that we have VMNG open, we can actually select free roam and let's choose Italy as our testing map. Let's just let it load, and I will pause this video again until the loading has been completed. Alright guys, as you can see VMNG driving game has been loaded. Let's see what graphics settings we have set up, and the graphics are at lowest possible settings. Now let me show you the FPS, which I can do by just opening the World Editor, and as you can see it runs at 20 FPS, which means that it is playable. So yeah guys, this computer is definitely powerful enough to run the VMNG Drive game in 2024, the latest version of it. Now guys, I will drive in VMNG Drive and see if this computer lag when I crash my vehicle onto a wall, or if it can actually render the crashing physics of the game by using logical algebra and geometrical calculations. And as you saw it guys, the mid-2015 MacBook Pro is still very powerful and it can run VMNG Drive without any lagging or glitching. It is a very powerful gaming computer even in 2024, and it will still be in 2025.
Alright, but if you are wondering why the fuck would anyone put Windows 11 on a MacBook? Well, the reason is that I just wanted to find out whether this computer can handle the BeamNG Drive game. It's definitely not because what version of Windows I am running on my computer when I had been running macOS. No, not at all guys. But yeah, thank you for watching this YouTube video. I really